My Boxycharm for the month of March arrived and I wanted to share with you all what I got. This little card tells you more about the products and the price. First up, from Fike Beauty, this is a makeup remover. Next up, from Too Faced, is this mascara called Damn Girl. Next up, from Aceology, this is a detox treatment mask. Next up is a coconut and fig hair mask. Next up, we have a beautiful blush palette. Here's everything I received in my base box. I really do like it. You get more than what you pay for. And let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.